Berlin is a vibrant, ever-changing city with colorful, beautiful landmarks. And there's a little something for everyone in this beautiful city. Coming up, just a few of my favorites. Built between 1788 and 1791, the Brandenburg Gate is one of the most famous landmarks in Germany. It is a gathering place for many celebrations. Built in 1884, the Reichstag building is a historic government building that has housed the German Bundestag since 1999. It has survived wars, bombings, and arson throughout the years. Getting into the building is free, but book in advance to visit the dome on top of the building. Hey, head up to the revolving restaurant in the Berlin TV Tower. At 203 meters in the air, you've got a 360-degree look at Berlin. It's beautiful. The most famous crossing point between East and West Berlin during the Cold War was, of course, Checkpoint Charlie. Make sure you stop by for some Cold War history. Described by visitberlin.de as a place where terror is tangible, a place of remembrance, and a warning from history. The topography of terror is located on the site, which between 1933 and 1945 was the Gestapo headquarters and the security service of the SS. With over 2 million people visiting a year, it's one of the more popular museums in Berlin. Located in the Mitte District, in the public square of Alexanderplatz, is the World Clock, also known as the Urania World Clock. You can see the current time in 148 cities from around the world. Enjoy a relaxing river cruise on the River Spree and take in just some of the sights at the heart of this beautiful city. The Victory Column stands as a monument to Germany's victory in 3 wars. You can visit this popular monument in the middle of the Tiergarten district. With only being in Berlin a couple of days, I wasn't able to see as much of this beautiful city as I would have liked to. So, I guess I'll just have to come back. So listen, if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below, and they'll certainly help our channel grow. Until next time, signing off from Berlin, stay safe, stay well, and seltsam bleiben! Yeah.